Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key, and after this power off menu appears, you have to hold your finger on power off option. Then the window reboot to safe mode will appear, tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.